What's up, guys? I'm a bit sad right now. I've been sad since yesterday after school. So I found out yesterday after school, once I got into the car, that our puppy had to be put down. I'm really sad right now. And yeah, his name was Kumo. He was a rare Shiba. I miss him so much. Please like and subscribe if you like puppies, and if you're sad because you're watching this. Please support me because of what just happened yesterday. Yesterday I got home, got told the news, and I started to tear up. So, please like and subscribe for support.